Sir, excuse me. Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, cái gì cho bro, cái ba dân bro.
आगे चलिए आप लोग चलिए आगे चलिए Gift, sir, gift. Thank you so much. Smaller proximity. High school. Explain. Explain.
ช่วยเด็กให้ใครสีเหมาสี
Nasi, every ikan, tarang tarik, sok, isip aniga, kuntaru, yai tarang, korong asida, ikai kumdabaga picharaba, gandam asidi, Honorable Chief Minister, Min Kucharabaga, Sri Y. Khemchand Singh, Ukhrul Surabda, Lensing Hira, Mayam, Wai, Burma, Tarama, Uchawa, Oina, Ikokona, Kurudari. Gandam asidi, Wamama Pasa, Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y. Khemchand Singh, Loyana, Deputy Chief Minister Sri Tangkhul, Minister Public Health and Fisheries Department, Forest and Environment and Climate Change, Honorable Minister Tourism and Arts and Culture Sri Horizon Singh, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly 44 Ukhrul SD Assembly Constituency Sri Naga, 45 G9 SD Assembly Constituency Sri Kusin, 43 Punjab SD Assembly Constituency Sri Ratio Basi, Honorable MLA Sri Kiriswadachia, Hayward AC, Honorable MLA Sri Yumnam Khemchand Singh, Honorable MLA Sri Felicitations Singh, Wangzi Tengkhul AC, Honorable MLA Sri Maiden, Segmai AC, Honorable MLA Sri Nurul Hassan, Kedraw AC, Honorable MLA Sri Hamza Aru, Wangkei AC, Honorable MLA Sri Kokram Rohito Singh, Mayam AC, Amasu Sri Swardasu, President, Amasu distinguished dignitaries Tangkhul Naga, Ukhrul District Asila, Najatanay Ukhrul, UCB, Nagbilang po kita bagtas, handa na tagatsari, mayna na ikay na bagtitsari.
Excuse me.
On behalf of the District Administration Ukhrul, It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to this August gathering. We are honored by the gracious presence of the Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Yumnam Khemchand Singh, Deputy Chief Minister, Sri Losu Dikho, Minister of Public Health and Engineering Department and Forest and Environment and Climate Change, Honorable Minister, Tourism and Arts and Culture, Sri Ukhrul Singh, Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, 44 Ukhrul ST, Assembly Constituency, Sri Ram Muiva, 45 Chingai ST, Assembly Constituency, Sri Kusin Basham, 43 Pungyar ST, Assembly Constituency, Sri Leishio Kaising, Honorable MLA Sri T.H. Radhesam, Hairok SC, Honorable MLA Sri Yumnam Radhesam, Yangwang SC, Honorable MLA Sri Paunam Provin Singh, Wangjing Temka SC, Honorable MLA Sri Haikam Dimos Setmai SC, Honorable MLA Sri Nurul Hussain, Katri Rao SC, Honorable MLA Sri Tangkhul Naga, Wangkai SC, Honorable MLA Sri Kongkham Robindro Mayangpa SC.
May I now, with due respect, invite the Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul, Sri Ashish Das, IAS, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Good morning. Mahareo Kurumchari. Respected Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, we welcome you as our guiding light and peacemaker, whose vision unites hills and valley. As Bible says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called children of God. You truly embodies these verses in letter and spirit, sir. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, we welcome you as the go-to person in crisis whose steady support strengthens Ukhrul in every step forward in peace, sir. Honorable Tourism Minister, we welcome you as the champion of our heritage, whose push for ecotourism brings Shiroi's beauty to the world, sir. And this is a privilege for Ukhrul for hosting these many MLAs who came to visit us, who came to bless us. All the honorable MLAs, we welcome you as the voice of the people, bridging aspirations of every constituency with action, sirs. Respected Chief Secretary, sir, we welcome you as the architect of administration whose guidance keeps our development on track. And revered civil society leaders, we welcome you as the custodians of Tangkhul tradition, keeping our Murungs, Lura, Fainit and community spirit alive. And dedicated government and security officials, we welcome you as the backbone of service, turning vision into reality on the ground. Valued media fraternity, we welcome you as the storytellers of our hills, carrying Ukhrul's voice across Manipur and beyond. And my dear people of Ukhrul headquarters, I welcome you as the heart of this district, whose resilience and pride make every milestone possible. I, on behalf of this land of the Shiroi Lily, extend our warmest welcome to all. Your support for the Shiroi Heritage Project and trust in this district administration inspire us to move forward in the challenging times. Together, let us take Ukhrul forward as a model of peace, heritage and progress. This dais is yours, sirs. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your gracious and insightful welcome address. Your words have truly set a positive tone for today's program. We will now take a moment to felicitate our distinguished guest with a presentation of traditional stole, Lengyan, as a mark of honor and appreciation. May I request our respected Deputy Commissioner Ukhrul, Sri Ashish Das IAS, to do the honor of presentation to Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Yumnam Khemchand Singh, and all the VIPs on the dais. Thank you, sir. This gesture reflects our deep respect and gratitude. This will be followed by presentations from Honorable MLA 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency and various CSOs. I humbly request Honorable MLA 44 Ukhrul Assembly Constituency, Shri Ram Niva, to do the honor of presentation to Honorable Chief Minister.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request the Autonomous District Council Ukhrul to kindly honor and felicitate the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Yumnam Khemchand Singh. To do the honors, I would like to request our respected Deputy Commissioner of Ukhrul, Sri Ashish Das IAS and Sri David Kashyap, now CEO ADC Ukhrul, to kindly come forward and do the honor. and our Honorable Chief Minister is felicitated with a traditional shawl, Naga spear, Lumbi pot, and a basket of indigenous local items.
May I now request our respected Ma'am, Divisional Forest Officer, Ukhrul Division, Srimati Lashran Gitla IFS, to do the honor of felicitation to Honorable Chief Minister. Now I request the Tangkhul Naga Long to take the charge. Tangkhul Naga Long. This will be followed by Tangkhul Long. After that, it will be Ukhrul Village Authority. It will be presented by the headman. And next we have the Ukhrul Village Authority. That will be followed by NPF Ukhrul Division. After that, Rupai Long.